Key findings are as follows in regards to that particular important exercise. Since January 2025, we have been able to conduct compliance checks in a total of 109 institutions in the advancement of our mandate. A total of 566 supply chain practitioners have been audited in that sense, and about 43% have been found to be compliant when it comes to the registration and licensing requirements. A total of 42% are non-compliant, and we have therefore taken the necessary steps to ensure that we discharge our mandate in accordance with the law by making this information public and by encouraging those employers to ensure that these members who are working in the supply chain functions are duly registered and licensed as required by the law.
E-procurement, or what we call e-government procurement, we call it EGP, is indeed an initiative of our parent ministry, the National Treasury, working very closely with KISM as the people who do the training and capacity building. They are actually, right now, they're doing what we call TOT rollout, but KISM is a very key partner in the training of supplies practitioners or procurement professionals in the rollout of EGP. So we are very much joined and very much in sync with the National Treasury in ensuring a seamless rollout of e-government procurement, because at the end of it, the greatest beneficiary of that procurement, which enhances transparency, openness, is actually procurement professionals.